Polly the talking parrot. In a sunny village, there lived a cheerful parrot named Polly. She loved to talk and repeat everything she heard. Everyone in the village adored her, especially little Rhea, who taught Polly new words every day. One afternoon, while Rhea's mother was cooking, smoke filled the kitchen. Polly saw it and shouted loudly, "Fire! Fire!" The neighbours heard her and rushed to help. They quickly put out the fire before it spread. When Rhea came home, she hugged Polly tightly and said, "You saved our home, my clever friend." Polly chirped happily, "Good Polly, brave Polly." From that day, Polly became the hero of the village, the parrot who not only talked but also cared. The moral of the story: intelligence and awareness can help save lives.